Hello, everyone. Good
Good
morning.
morning.
Good morning. Hello, Sis Punky. Hello, Sis Cosby. And we have Brazil here, Sis Ara, and we have Sis Yanni. Oh, guys, welcome back to our class again. Wow, Sis Punky, how do you do?
I'm feeling well today.
Sounds great that you always feel well and great, Sis Punky. That's so nice. Sis Punky, is it rainy in your place?
Yes, last night.
Last night. What about this time?
Yeah.
This morning? Is it rainy?
This morning, cloudy.
Oh, that's a cloudy. It's just cloudy, right? Okay.
Yes.
Great, Sis
Yeah.
Punky. Well done. Thank you so much. Okay. Oh, we
Thank
have
you.
Sis Jenny. You are still driving. Oh my God, Sis Jenny. Okay. Just take care of the way, Sis Jenny. Yeah. Okay. Go ahead, Sis Jenny. Okay. Wow, Sis Cosby. Sis Cosby, yesterday you forgot you bring your laptop, and today finally you bring it, right?
And I prepare my laptop, so I don't want to forget to for second time, bro.
That would be better. You
Yeah.
must do that
And
one.
I go
Okay.
to the office with a smile.
Oh, sure. It's really cool. Okay. Could you imagine that, guys? So Monday was gonna be like a busy day, and we forgot our important stuff. How could it be?
Usually every Monday I said I like Monday, but kemarin apa?
Yesterday?
Yesterday I cannot say I cannot say that.
Okay, is that's alright. It's gonna be funny this time you bring your laptop again, right? It's gonna good. It's gonna be thank you so much. And we have
Welcome,
Brazil
bro.
here, Miss Aras, Bro Ahmad, Sister Grace, and Bro Eddie. Everybody here, guys. Welcome back to our class again. Well, everyone, we're going to start the class while waiting order. So, good morning. Welcome back to our class again, everybody. With speaking partner.
We
We are
are the best
the
partner.
partners.
What's password, guys? Thank you so much, everyone. You are so amazing. All right, guys. Guys, what day is today?
Tuesday,
Today is
Uh,
Tuesday.
Tuesday. You're right, guys. Today is Tuesday. Okay, and hey, guys, hari ini tuh, guys, habis
Merdeka.
kemarin. Yeah, but no.
Belum
This
ya.
is like I forgot. This is it's kind of like a not totally riddle, but um after Monday, setelah hari Senin itu selesai ya, guys?
Hmm,
Do you got the
18.
riddle, guys? And no, you don't get the
this is
joke.
the last week.
No, guys. This is actually the joke, you know. Guys, setelah hari
Oh,
Senin itu selesai ya.
Selasa.
Selasa. Okay. I forgot what kind of joke itu. Joke apa ya? Belum pikir kok tiba-tiba pikir itu ya. Hey,
Mau
do you
ngejok
know the
tapi
joke,
lupa.
guys? Yeah, guys. Oh my God. Okay, that's it. Okay, well, is that right, guys? Back to here, and guys, this week is our last week, everyone. You know that. It seems like I told you yesterday, everyone. So come, everybody, you just continue to the next level. It would be better. Just continue that one. Intermediate two. We're going to learn about the grammar and listening and also speaking all the time. It's gonna good. Everybody can continue to the next one. But if you feel that, oh, I prefer to have a regular class here, you can just go with a regular class. But if you want just be confident and just normal in this class, I mean in webinar class, go ahead and we can have a class like usual time. Okay, that is everyone. Yeah, I suggest you everybody just continue to the next level, intermediate two. Yes, you can try to register now. It would be better. Okay. Okay, guys, yeah, that's for your information. And go ahead to the next part today. Today is the last day we talk about the grammar in intermediate one. Terakhir kali kita belajar grammar, guys. The last topic about the grammar. Tomorrow on Wednesday and on Thursday, we just learn about the traditions. Yeah, so it would be good. The reading all the time, and the last day we're going to have mid final exam. So today is the last day we learn about the grammar. We have learned a lot the grammar, I guess, yeah. So start from the first day, we learn about adjective and preposition, adjective ending ed and ing. Masih ingat ya? Bored, boring. Okay, that's it. And talk about simple past and past continuous. We talk about conjunction, okay, and a lot, guys. Even like how to create a question with the intonation that it's gonna be next one. Oh yeah, guys, the following class, I mean the level up class, intermediate 2, we learn about the pronunciation as addition topic. This is about pop son. Like I said, pop son is very important to have a good speaking, especially the pronunciation as addition. So don't miss that one. And also we learn about intonation in English. Last time we learned about intonation in a question, teman-teman ya. Intonasi ketika dalam kalimat tanya. That was last week. And the next level, you will learn intonation in the whole sentence, in the word. Di dalam kata, itu ada intonasinya juga, guys. Mana harus ditekankan dan mana yang enggak. Okay? Or maybe when in the whole sentence, kalimat sempurna gitu ya. So, we have stress. Jadi, we have a good in speaking. Rhythm atau ritmenya. This one. This is our topic in the next level. So don't miss it, everyone. Guys, let's get started with this more time to talk about. And here we go. The future plans. Nah, so this one. Future. What is the meaning of future plans, guys? Apa nih?
Rencana masa depan.
Rencana masa depan. That's great. Everyone has their own future plans. Okay. So either this is in the close one or maybe like 4 years plans would be better. Let's talk about the future plans. This is our main topic. Let's have a chit chat topic this time. And would like to ask ini ada Sis Vinda yang di on cam nih. Sis Vinda. Good morning.
Morning, bro.
Sis Vinda, do you have any plan for the weekend? It means next weekend, this week?
I think this weekend, I'm just have a plan like a usually.
Like usual
in
activity?
weekend, yeah, usually activity. In
Mm.
weekend routine, I have a
What?
uh,
Exercising?
yes, and apa ya?
What? What else?
Kajian tuh apa bahasa Inggrisnya? I
Oh,
don't know.
okay. That's right. Oh, sure. So you learn about the religion. Is that right?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
And
Oh,
then-
this is...
Yeah.
And then?
Enough.
It is only that one? Okay, so it means you always do that. Okay, so kajian, you can say that's like study about the religion actually. Yeah, it's getting good, Sis Vinda. Okay,
Thank
keep going. Yeah, keep learning. That's really nice, Sis Vinda. Okay, and the next one. Thank you so much, Sis Vinda. You're so good. Guys, look at this one. If you want to make a sentence, terus kalimatnya itu menjelaskan yang akan datang aktivitasnya. Nah, we can use will and also going to, even present continuous. Kalau kita bahas present continuous, pasti kita bilang sedang gitu guys ya. No, in this time, we can use it for planning. It's really good. For example, look at the example, everyone. Oh, great! That meeting after work's been cancelled. I'll go to that yoga class instead. Artinya apa, guys? Mana, guys?
Bagus.
Oh, bagus ya. Meeting, pertemuan itu
kerja dibatalkan.
dibatalkan. Saya
Saya akan pergi
pergi
kelas
ke kelas yoga.
yoga.
Instead, pastinya. Tentu saja, tentunya gitu guys ya.
instead
Penekanan.
pastinya.
Instead itu kayak pastinya, tentunya gitu guys ya. Penegasan gitu ya. Oke. So that's what everyone. Kita pakai I will. Ini sering kita pakai nih ya. I will. This is just a common future, simple future. I will, you will dan sebagainya. Kalau ini guys, I'm going to try to visit my relative in Australia this year. So, artinya apa? Saya
Saya
akan
akan mencoba mengunjungi
relatif tuh
relatif itu
Kerabat.
saudara,
Kerabat.
saudara jauh, kerabat jauh.
Oh,
di
Tidak
Australia
kandung intinya di Australia tahun
tahun
ini. That's it, everyone. And what about this? The restaurant is reserved, okay, for 8. We are having a drink at Bill's first.
restoran ini
restoran
di booking
Ya, di book.
Ya,
di
guys,
pesan.
dipesan jam 8. Ya, for 8 maksudnya jam 8 itu baru dibuka gitu, guys ya. Makanya we are having a drink at Bill's first. Kita
Akan
Minum dulu.
akan minum di Bill's
di
dulu.
Bills dulu.
Sambil nunggu nih. So we use we are having. Nah, di sini guys, actually. Nah, nanti kita bahas ya guys ya di sini. Oke. So, this is the difference guys. Semuanya bilangnya akan karena itu kan planning, future plans. Tapi ada 3 cara. Pakai I will, I'm pakai going to be going to, dan present continuous. Terus apa bedanya? So we need to talk more and let's try to break down it. Look at this one. Lesson as explanation. Here we go. Don't forget, if you learn about a grammar, just remember our hashtag. Grammar is what, guys?
Fun.
Grammar is fun. Okay, that's our hashtag, okay? Just keep in mind. Look at this explanation. We use different verb forms to talk about our plan for the future. Ada bentuk kata kalimat yang berbeda ketika kita ingin ngomong menjelaskan aktivitas atau planning. Depending on what kind of plan it is, tergantung dari planningnya itu sendiri. Spontan is spontaneous plan, planning yang spontan tanpa ada rencana tiba-tiba muncul. A pre-designed plan atau planning yang sudah rencana yang sudah direncanakan sebelumnya. Okay, are an arrangement, persetujuan. Ada 3 ini guys. Oke, makanya tadi 3. So satu-satu dulu ya. The first we use will. Kita pakai will. Nah, look at the point here. We use will, kita pakai will to talk about spontaneous plan. Intinya, planningnya itu spontan. Kita tidak membuatnya sebelumnya, merencanakan sebelumnya, enggak. Spontan di sini guys ya. Maaf Bro Fik, kok tumpen nggak ada suaranya? Oh, nggak ada suaranya? Oh, Sistilik, are you okay? Halo.
Ada.
Bisa dengar? Teman bisa ya, teman-teman?
Bisa.
Sistilik, aman? Maybe just because of the internet, I think. Okay, that's it. Lanjut ya, teman-teman. To talk about spontaneous plans. Ya. Berarti planningnya itu, guys. What's this, Cosby? What is that? This is spontaneous plan. Plannya spontan gitu ya. Decided at the moment of speaking. Biasanya planning itu diputuskan ketika tiba-tiba saat kita ngomong gitu guys ya. Kita speaking, kita diskusi, itu muncul lah ide itu, planning itu. Jadi bukan sebelumnya. Ya. For example, oops, I forgot to phone mom. I'll do it after dinner. Artinya, oops, saya lupa.
Saya lupa nelpon mama.
Menelpon mama, I'll do it after dinner. Could you imagine?
Saya akan
Bayangin.
nelpon mama setelah
Iya.
makan.
Tiba-tiba guys, Bro Vicky tuh gini. Lagi jalan gitu. Ingat nih, waduh, saya lupa nelpon ibu saya. Seketika itu, pasti spontan kita bakal mikir rencana. Oke, I will do it after dinner. Oke, saya akan menelponnya setelah makan malam. Nah, jadi rencana ke depan itu spontan. Muncul spontan saat itu. Gitu guys ya. You got it? That's what.
Got it.
Kita pakai I will. I can't decide what to wear tonight. I know. I'll wear my green shirt. So, saya tidak
dapat memutuskan apa yang akan dilakukan malam ini.
Tiba-tiba, I know. Saya akan memakai kaos berwarna, baju berwarna Iya, hijau. Iya, ini mau ke ini guys, ke Pantai Kidul ya, jalan-jalan party tonight nih. Oke.
Ketemu Nyi Roro Kidul dong.
Oh my God. Oke, that's right. Kita mau party nih guys ya. Oke. Putus-putus suaranya. Oh iya guys.
Enggak kok, aman.
Enggak,
Aman ya? Oke.
restart
That's good.
aja
Aman,
sih.
guys.
Oke. That's good. And go ahead guys. Ini guys ya. Jadi contohnya kayak gini. Saya itu tidak bisa memutuskan apa yang saya mau pakai nanti malam mau pesta gitu guys ya. Nggak tahu. Tiba-tiba ketika bilang gitu muncul guys. Spontan. Oh, saya tahu. Saya pakai yang ini aja nih. Gitu ya. Oke. So, that's it everyone. Bukan tiba-tiba, aduh sendirian nih. Oke, saya nikah hari ini. Aduh, guys. Spontan.
Gitu
Bukan
konsepnya.
gitu nih. Apaan tuh?
Spontan
Oke.
itu.
Bro Zul? Oke, good idea, Bro Fik.
Yes,
Oke. Oke. That's nice. Go ahead. Guys, there is no milk. I'll buy some when I go to the shop. Apa nih, guys?
Tidak ada.
Nggak ada susu. Susunya nih mau minum susu itu habis. Nah, ketika mau membuat susu habis, terus muncul ide itu, guys. Tiba-tiba langsung bilang, I'll
Saya akan
buy
membeli
membeli beberapa susu
berapa
tadi ketika
pergi ke
saya pergi ke toko. Iya, guys. Ini adalah spontan semua. Oke. Tidak di planning. Karena ada sesuatu ketika ngomong terus muncul ide itu. Sama teman-teman. Enaknya kayak gini, Bro Vicky bawa pulpen. Pulpennya jatuh. Pasti seketika itu ingin mengambilnya. Oke. So, I will take my pen. Gitu, guys. For example, Bro Vicky lupa membawa pulpen terus mau nulis nih. I want to write something. Oh my God, I forgot my pen. I will take it now. Gitu ya. That's for example. Pakainya spontan itu pakai will. And don't forget ini kayak simple future. Will di sini harus diikuti verb one. Okay. So, subject plus will, pakai will aja teman-teman. Pakai shall profit boleh, tapi just use will. Shall is too formal. Will and followed by verb one. Ya guys ya, this one. Okay. So, kita nggak boleh bilang I will doing, I will buying, atau ada to-nya. I will to buy, I will to do, nggak boleh. Langsung ya, verb one. That's so easy to create a sentence, right? Okay guys, untuk ini teman-teman, do you have a question? Ada pertanyaan nggak nih guys? Aman ya? Guys,
Aman.
don't forget, this is in grammar for speaking. Jadi digunakan untuk langsung ngomong ya. So, just use it for your speaking. And the next one, we have this. Wait a moment. Okay. Oh, berarti error, bro. Oke, Cicely, it's okay. Cicely bisa log out dulu. Oke, keluar dulu. Nanti coba dicek. Mungkin perlu di-update Zoom-nya. Pastikan internetnya bagus. Nanti masuk lagi ya, Cicely. Pasti bisa nanti. Oke, that's it. Lanjut, guys. We use the second part. This is going to. Okay. The second one, going to. And the function should be like this. Going to talk about plans desired before the moment of speaking. Berarti sudah direncanakan sebelumnya. Tidak spontan kebalikannya. Kita pakainya going to, guys. I'm going to phone mom after dinner. I told her I'd call at 8 o'clock. Guys, artinya apa? Saya akan
Mama setelah makan malam.
Iya, saya
Saya
akan
kasih tahu
menelpon mama ya setelah makan malam. Iya, saya bilang ke dia, saya
mau
akan
nelpon di
menelponnya
8
jam
malam.
8 malam. Berarti sudah di planning gitu guys ya. Gak spontan. Tadi kan yang pertama tadi kan lupa nih kalau nelpon. Tiba-tiba langsung ngomong, oke, jam ini deh gitu. Kalau ini udah mulai planning sebelumnya. Saya akan menelpon ibu saya setelah makan. Saya udah bilang juga nih ke ibu jam 8 nanti. Itu guys. The next one, I'm going to wear my black dress tonight. Saya akan memakai
dress hitam malam
dress
ini.
putih hitam malam ini. Oke,
Betul,
that's for
party.
example. Ya, party. Nah, ini tadi kan bingung ya. Bingung mau pakai baju apa tadi. Akhirnya punya ide, spontan langsung pakai warna hijau. Kalau ini sudah disetting, sudah direncanakan. Nanti malam saya ingin pakai ini aja deh gitu. Das pakainya going to, bukan will. Oke. Lanjut nih. I'm going to go to supermarket after work. What does we need? Saya akan
Pergi ke
supermarket setelah bekerja.
bekerja.
What do we need? Apa yang kita butuhin nih? Berarti sudah planning ya. Oke, kalau tadi kan susunya habis kan, langsung punya spontan mau beli. Nah, kalau ini sudah ditentukan sebelumnya. Oh, nanti nih saya akan pergi ke supermarket setelah kerja nih. Nah, kita mau beli apa aja? That's what I'm going to go. That's one everyone-nya. Ini intinya kebalikannya will tadi. Kalau will itu spontan rencananya, kalau ini enggak direncanakan. Gitu. That's the main point. And don't forget when you want to make a question sentence, ada subjeknya, ada to be-nya. Yes, this one. To be. To be-nya itu apa? Kalau enggak is, am, dan juga are. Nah, that's one ya. We cannot use like was, were is only in simple present this time. Okay. I'm is, am, are, and then followed by going. Going, just going to ya. Going ini harus diikuti itu teman-teman and verb one. Going to. Okay, that's one. Going, be going to. This is going, artinya akan nih teman-teman. Itu rencana ya teman-teman. So, I'm going to phone mom. Phone itu verb 1. I'm going to where. I'm going to go. Verb 1 juga. You are going to where. You are going to phone. She is going to phone. That's one. Sama teman-teman udah masih ingat ya kapan menggunakan is am are-nya? That's one. Ini kontesnya direncanakan, gak spontan. Okay? Guys, this is the second part. You got it? Any questions, everyone? Aman ya? This is good. No questions so far. And the third one, yang terakhir, guys. So, we have present continuous. Present continuous, kita pernah belajar dulu, guys. Pasti, artinya itu sedang gitu ya. I am taking a picture. Saya sedang memfoto. I am eating rice. Saya sedang makan ya, makan nasi. Di sini present continuous itu bisa dipakai untuk jelasin rencana. Tapi rencananya apa? Look at this. We usually use present continuous when the plan is an arrangement. Sudah planning yang sudah disetujui. Ada persetujuan. Already confirmed with at least one other person. We know the time and place. Sudah dikonfirmasi setidaknya satu orang. Konfirmasi apanya? Tempatnya di mana? Waktunya kapan? Oke guys ya, sudah dikonfirmasi. Semisal nih, Sis Cosby mau menemui Sis Vinda. Nah, sudah dikonfirmasi nih, kita ketemuan nih. Hari ini, besok, atau kapanpun di tempat ini jam segini. Nah, itu sudah di planning. Akhirnya Sis Cosby, Sis Vinda itu sudah setuju. Atau at least sudah dikonfirmasi ya ke lawan bicara kita. So, you can use this one, the present continuous. Okay? So, for example, I'm meeting Jenny at 8 o'clock on Saturday. Artinya apa, guys? Saya akan, tetap akan ya. Tetap artinya itu bukan sedang. Tetap akan artinya. Karena planning. Saya akan menemui Jenny jam 8 hari Sabtu. Nah, berarti saya ini sudah mempunyai kesepakatan nih sama si Jenny kalau bakal ketemu hari Sabtu nanti jam 8, guys. Okay, so that's why we use meeting. Kita nggak perlu bilang saya sedang menemui, tapi boleh saya menemui atau pakai saya akan aja, karena kan planning yang akan datang. I'm meeting Jenny. Saya akan menemui Jenny. Itu kontesnya ya. The next one. We are having a party next Saturday. Would you like to come? Kita
Kita akan mengadakan party ya.
Iya, kita akan punya pesta party next Saturday. Would you like to come? Jadi teman-teman mau mengajak nih, juga boleh jelas ini. Sis Vinda, saya akan punya pesta next Saturday. Jelaskan nih guys ya. Nah, mengajak tuh. Would you like to come? Yang penting sudah tahu. Orang yang kita ajak itu sudah tahu kapan dan di mana tempatnya. At least that's it. Oke, gitu guys. You got it everyone ya. We can use present continuous. Masih ingat ya, cara bilang present continuous, the form should be like this. Ada subjeknya, tetap ada to be-nya. Ini guys ya, pakai to be di sini. To be-nya pun sama. Is, and are. Okay, this one. And then followed by verb ing. Itu teman-teman. I am meeting. You are meeting. We are meeting. She is meeting. He is meeting. Okay, Taro is meeting. That's for example. It's just normal. Okay? You got it, everyone. This is our topic, everyone. That's it. It's gonna be next one. Okay. Okay, guys. I think it's gonna be good. Guys, teman-teman masih ingat gak? Present continuous itu ada verb yang tidak bisa dipakai. Gitu, guys ya. Present continuous kayak have. Sebenarnya kita mau bilang saya sedang mempunyai buku. I am having a book. Itu nggak boleh. Tapi di sini konteksnya beda. Kalau rencana, apapun bisa diingkan, teman-teman. Oke. Love. I am loving you. Saya sedang mencintaimu. Tidak boleh kalau pakai present continuous artinya sedang. Tapi untuk rencana, I'm loving you. I just make sure that I'm loving you this week. Saya mau meyakinkan nih, I'm just sure, make sure saya akan mencintaimu nanti minggu depan gitu guys. Oke, boleh banget nih. Oke, liking juga, I am liking you, boleh dipakai, makanya aneh-aneh kayak gitu boleh. Oke, itu konteksnya hanya di present continuous yang dipakai jelasin future plans gitu ya. Tapi kalau normal present continuous artinya sedang, nggak boleh guys. I am having a car. Saya sedang mempunyai mobil. Nggak boleh. Masih ingat ya? Verb-verb kata kerja yang nggak bisa diingkan. Maksudnya nggak bisa dipakai di present continuous artinya sedang. Yang kemarin Bro Vicky kirim di grup ya. That's it guys. That's the same. Okay guys, that's gonna be enough for this time. And guys, do you have a question? Ya, coba ya.
Bro,
Yes,
kalau
Jenny.
mau bikin kalimat seperti ini, I have been driving for 3 hours and this journey going to 1 hour more. Itu boleh?
This June apa? This June?
Journey we going to 1 hour more.
Will going?
Will going enggak pakai will going to.
Okay.
Pakai will atau going to. Karena kita tahu perjalanannya 1 jam lagi gitu.
So you can say will, karena itu spontan di situ. Okay.
Oh, will ya.
Iya,
Oke.
Iya, pakai will. I will guess it. It will be better. Benar banget, pakainya will ya. Karena di situ kan spontan saat itu gitu. Si Yani baru tahu saat itu ketika ngelakuin itu kan. Itu planning. Iya. Kalau masih di rumah, kayaknya saya akan ke sini menempuh jarak, itu berarti pakai I'm going to. Kalau sedang di jalan tiba-tiba bisa prediksi itu, berarti pakainya will. Oke? Gak ada si Yani aman ya? Oke. That's it. Just use it for your daily speaking. Ingat, intinya guys, kalau kita belajar grammar for speaking, langsung dipakai aja untuk speaking. Ya, learning by doing. Gunakan kalimat-kalimat merangkai kata grammar ini ya by doing. Ketika teman-teman melakukan sesuatu dipakai aja. Semisal nih, Yusfinda habis kelas ini itu mau beli seblak contohnya gitu guys ya. Nah, itu planning ya. So after work I'm going to buy seblak. Kayak gitu. Itu planningnya setelah kelas ini. Boleh itu di planning sebelumnya. Oke. So Sis Vinda mau ngajak temennya nyeblak di Pak siapa nih? Pak Teguh. Pak Rabu, namanya Pak Rabu ya. Oke. That's it. So you can say This one. I am, maybe want juga boleh. I am wanting itu bahkan juga boleh ya teman-teman. Mereka nggak bisa diinkan sebenarnya di present continuous. Cuma di sini konteksnya bisa, tapi jangan dipakai aja. Ya normal aja. Just say I am buying seblak at 12 o'clock with my friends. Boleh. You can say that one, teman-temannya. Konteksnya pokoknya setuju nih sama teman kita itu, setuju dia. Get it. That's one. Kalau Sisvinda tiba-tiba, aduh, saya lupa nih bawa kenangan. Bawa kenangan. Saya lupa nih bawa buku. Okay. So, Sisvinda tiba-tiba bilang, oh, I will take my book. So, you can say will. Bukan I'm going to take. No. Oke, karena Sisvinda baru sadar kalau lupa itu di saat itu gitu guys ya. So, mau mengambil saat itu juga spontan, pakainya will. Itu teman-teman ya, langsung dipakai aja, like use it for your daily speaking, daily activity. Itu guys. Oke, that's gonna be enough for this time. It's gonna good. Ingat kalau kita belajar grammar, paling tepat itu biar nggak lupa, nggak sering lupa teman-teman, biar nancep itu guys, teman-teman dibuat kalimat ditulis. Cara baik belajar grammar itu ditulis guys. Ditulis, dibuat kalimat sendiri. Itu biar bisa nempel guys ya. Kalau cuma mengarang-arang aja gitu, nanti bisa lupa guys. Just writing. Itu guys, karena kita merangkai kata. Okay guys, yes, gonna be enough for that. And I have like a question. Oh ya guys, teman-teman, ini ada tambahan lagi nih. This is the next one, karena kita budaya juga di sana ya. So like about the culture. We often use the present continuous to ask about people future plans. Kita itu bisa menggunakan present continuous selain digunakan untuk persetujuan tadi guys ya, sudah jelas waktu dan tempatnya. Present continuous itu juga bisa digunakan untuk menanyakan planning seseorang. Itu guys ya. Bro Vicky bilang gini, Desya nih, minggu depan mau kemana nih? Boleh pakai present continuous. Kalau di sini dicontohkan, are you doing anything interesting this weekend? Apakah kamu akan melakukan sesuatu yang interesting, menarik, asik weekend ini, akhir pekan ini? Nah, gitu guys. Okay. You can say, where are you learning the next school? Gitu guys ya. The next one. Jadi misal nih, kemana kamu akan belajar sekolah lainnya, maksudnya ke sekolahan baru gitu guys, habis lulus nih. Or where are you working after graduate from the university? Kemana kamu akan bekerja setelah lulus dari kampus? That's for example. Menanyakan planning orang itu boleh pakai present continuous. Gak perlu pakai where will you go? Oke, where are you going? Pakai present continuous aja boleh. Oke, can say that's one. Oke guys ya, this is an addition. Bahkan native itu sering banget pakai ini ketika menanyakan planningnya orang, itu menggunakan present continuous. Sering banget daripada pakai will, going to, they use present continuous. Itu teman-teman ya. Okay, so guys, let's do exercise this time. Let's answer it together. I can't come to the class. I cannot come to class next Monday. Blah blah blah. A tooth taken out. Artinya apa guys? Artinya apa? I am
having.
I will have atau I'm having.
I'm having a
I
tooth
will have.
taken out.
Because
That's right.
next Monday.
Next Monday. It should be I am having. Good job. I'm having. Kenapa? Karena planningnya itu next Monday, guys ya. Nih, I can't come to class next Monday. Semisal nih, Bro Vicky saat ini bilang nih ke guru Bro Vicky, gitu ya guys ya. Hey guys, sorry sir, I can't come to class next Monday. Saya nggak bisa masuk kelas Monday, Senin depan. Nah, kenapa gitu? Karena alasannya I'm having a tooth taken out. Saya akan menyopot gigi gitu guys ya, copot gigi guys. You can say that. Berarti planningnya itu sudah diatur guys ya, ada diatur nih kalau next Monday, gak spontan gitu ya, izin guys. Pasti izin kan sebelum ya guys ya, gak tiba-tiba langsung gitu. That's one. Okay, that's it everyone-nya. Berarti jawabannya B ya di sini. I'm having. The next part. What's blah 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 when you finish university? Nah, ini tanya rencananya
Are you
orang
doing?
nih.
Are you
What
doing?
are you
Are
doing?
you doing? Good job. Tadi guys, terakhir tadi ya,
Yeah.
menanyakan rencana orang, kita pakai present continuous. What are you doing when you finish university? Apa yang akan kamu lakuin ya ketika kamu selesai kuliah? Oke, party boy gitu ya. Yes, that's it everyone. Okay, and the next one, this. What's blah 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 this weekend?
What are you
Are you
doing?
What
doing?
are you doing? Ya, karena kita menanyakan planningnya orang nih. What are you doing this weekend? Apa yang akan kamu lakuin weekend ini nih, pekan ini? Kita nanya rencana orang pakainya what are you doing? Gitu guys. Oke, that's it. Tapi ya itu lebih baik teman-temannya. Meskipun kayak gini guys, contohnya kayak gini. Bro Vicky lagi ngobrol sama Bro Zul nih. Tiba-tiba Bro Vicky langsung ide spontan gitu guys ya. Oh, what will you do this weekend, Bro Zul? Itu bisa banget. Cuma native itu jarang seperti itu. Mau spontan, mau enggak, intinya kalau konteksnya itu menanyakan planningnya orang, rencananya orang, pakainya present continuous. Gitu. Kita ngobrol jauh, ngobrol kemana-mana nih. Tiba-tiba Bro Vicky bilang gini, Bro Zul, weekend ini kemana? Kita kan spontan nih guys ya. Spontan nih, nggak direncanakan sebelumnya. Nah Bro Vicky boleh pakai what are you doing this weekend? Karena konteksnya tadi nanyakan planning seseorang. Gitu ya. Okay. The next one, it should be that. Guys, the last one. Shall we cook or go out to eat tonight? Let's get takeaway. Okay. The number
I'm
of the
looking
pizza
for.
place. What?
I'm looking for.
I'm looking for. Are you sure
the
that?
number
I'll
of pizza.
look for.
I'm
I look for. Iya guys,
Oh,
ini
I look for.
spontan. Iya, coba perhatikan guys. Shall we cook or go out to eat tonight? Misal Bro Vicky bilang sama Bro Edi nih. Bro Edi, kita enaknya ini masak sendiri atau makan di luar nih malam ini? Bro Vicky tanya, spontan Bro Edi langsung menjawab, let's get takeaway. Yuk kita makan di sana aja. Oke. Terus, I'll look for Bro Edi ketika bilang gitu pasti langsung
I look
spontan
for.
bilang saya akan mencari number of the pizza place. Saya akan mencari tempat makan pizza gitu, ya cafe atau yes, you know that one right? That's it. Gitu. Terus otomatis di situ spontan. Gitu. Karena Bro Edi nggak planning. Bro Edi menjawab bilang gitu karena Bro Vicky tanya. Jadi spontan dalam conversation. You got it? Jawabannya I'll look for. You got it everyone-nya? Oke. Take away. Bukan take away ya. Jadi yang viral itu apa guys? Take away. You know right? The video, the file video. Okay guys, that's gonna be enough. This is our topic. Guys, do you have a question? Teman-teman ada pertanyaan nggak nih guys? Aman ya semuanya?
Man.
Okay, it's really good one. Guys, lovely. This is our topic we talk about and go ahead kalau nggak ada pertanyaan. So guys, we are going to have discussion. Not totally that one. We are going to talk about this. Yang tadi verifikasi aja ya, biar relate sama topik kita hari ini. And the topic should be about, ya sama, rencana. Here we go guys, I will open it for you. Look at this. This is the conversation, the topic that you can use it for discussion. Ini ada 10 pertanyaan nih guys. The first question you can say, what are you going to do after class? Nah, what are you going? Berarti teman-teman lebih ke rencana ya, setelah kelas nanti ngapain. So, I'm going to take a nap. I'm going to do blah, blah, blah. Where are you going to go on your next vacation? Itu guys ya. Intinya kalau konteksnya rencana ke depan, sudah di planning pakainya going to. Ya, going, I'm going, you are going, she is going. Kalau konteksnya planning, pakainya will. Oke. Kalau ingin bilang mau nanyakan ya, teman-teman. Ini guys, teman-teman boleh nih. What are you doing to go on next vacation? Berarti pakai present continuous. Karena kan menanyakan planningnya orang. Boleh sebenarnya, but just make it this one. You can choose the question that you want to choose and have such a nice conversation. Okay, so again, everyone, going to a breakout room right now, and I just want to make it this one. And okay, here. Oh wait, guys. Just show the breakout room, practice your English, and let's go. Hey, wait a moment. I will make it with this one. Guys, 1, 2, 3, go. Let's go. Good luck, everyone, and see you there. Yeah. Well, everybody, welcome back to the main room, and thanks so much, everyone, for having such a great conversation. You talk about your planning, yeah. Your planning, your time, or maybe your futures 5 years later. It's really nice topic to talk about. And the next, I would like to ask one of you guys to have a mini challenge. And today, I'm going to go with, oh, we have Sis Lilik here. Sis Lilik, hello.
Hello, bro.
All right, Sis Lilik, so it's your turn. You need to tell us your discussion about what a breakout room, okay? Siap, Sis Lilik. You must be ready. You
Waduh,
can
gimana
do it.
ini?
It's a, hey, you have such a nice conversation, right? Is it good? Sis Lilik, siap ya? 1,
Iya,
2,
bro.
3,
Thank you.
go. Let's go, Sis Lilik.
Okay, today in the breakout room, we talk about what's the plan in this week, and the plan of 3 years next 3 years. So we have a different plan, and bro Eddie, bro Eddie have planned to make a bill aduh apa tadi. I'm sorry, bro. Nervous.
Hey.
He will build a business, like make a restaurant, and other he have a plan to go to work in other country, like in Japan, and
Okay, that's gonna be enough, Sis Lilik. Time is
okay,
over.
thank you.
Wow, is it good? You can do it, Sis Lilik. Yeah, is it good? Is it good, Sis Lilik? You can do it. Bisa kan, Sis Lilik? It's a good one.
Asam uratnya
Okay.
lagi kambuh, makanya gugup.
It's I know, right? Sis
Itu
Lilik is
grogi
so
gara-gara kumis pecel lele itu loh.
Oh, iya, pecel lele kan ada kumisnya biasanya, guys ya. Iya kan? Aduh, guys, bikin lapar aja nih. Okay, well, guys, there's one, guys. Look at this. I want to highlight here, guys, one vocabulary that I found you. The common one is, guys, berpapasan. What is berpapasan in English? Jalan nih, berpapasan. Nope.
Bukan ya.
Berpapasan. That's kontennya berpapasan aja. Kita sama semisal nih berpapasan temen lewat gitu ya. Okay.
Pass each other.
Hey guys, we have the phrasal verb here. Ini namanya phrasal verb, itu sebuah gabungan verb ya, ataupun preposition ataupun conjunction yang mempunyai makna baru. Ini kita akan belajar di next level ya sebenarnya. Ini guys, teman-teman, run into itu artinya berpapasan.
Run into.
Berpapasan, ya. Berpapasan. Berpikir tulis di ini ya. This one. Jadi
into.
guys, itu run itu lari, into kan ke dalam, lari ke dalam, bukan. Run into mempunyai makna baru. Ada sebuah verb digabungin dengan preposition itu mempunyai makna baru, namanya phrasal verb. Ya di sini run into itu berpapasan. Oke, kita perlu belajar seperti itu, guys, and we learn it in next level ya. So that's it. Run into, mau bila berpapasan itu run into. I run into my friends when I go to school. Saya berpapasan sama teman saya nih ketika mau pergi sekolah, berpapasan gitu ya. Boleh menyapa, boleh enggak, yang penting berpapasan gitu. Okay, that's it everyone. And guys, I heard you maybe some few of you sedikit tapi ya masih belum pede. Okay, guys, just build your confidence. Okay, pede aja guys. Makanya cara pede itu yang pertama teman-teman ketika practice, at least on a breakout room, you turn on your camera, open cam guys. Itu bakal cepet banget untuk meningkatkan pede. Coba rasain teman-teman. Oke, biar karena ketika dibuka kameranya itu nanti teman-teman bakal pede dan juga bisa asik ngobrolnya gitu guys. Iya pertama, just build your confidence. And the next one, guys, you can find another challenge. It is like to have a good in speaking, we need to practice more. So you don't need to practice only when we have a class this morning. You can find another time to practice your English for yourself. Rofik, I don't have a partner. Yeah, is that right? You can just speak. Speak like anything. You can tell about stuff ya, kayak kemarin Bro Fikri jelasin guys di basic 2-1 dulu. Tell about your daily activity. Kasih challenge nih guys, jelasin selama 1 menit daily activity dulu aja. Di pagi sampai malam. Jelasin 1 menit. Kalau gitu, kalau enggak describing picture. Gambar, ada gambar apa gitu ya, dijelasin. Di sana ada apa, gimana, sedang apa gambar itu, siapa saja, dan sebagainya. Atau stuff, benda, barang, jelasin barang. Pulpen, jelasin pulpen ini, guys. Kasih waktu selama 1 menit minimal. Coba, ada target gitu. Oke, saya harus bisa ngomong 1 menit jelasin benda ini. I have a pen. The pen is really good. The color of pen is white and blue. I usually use it for writing. I buy it in bla 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 dan sebagainya, jelasin. Kalau teman-teman bingung, pertama pakai bahasa Indonesia dulu. Lihat pulpen ini mau jelasin pulpen itu apa aja yang diomongnya. Kalau udah ada poinnya, coba pakai bahasa Inggris. Nggak tahu bahasa Inggrisnya ditabrak campur nggak apa-apa. Tapi nanti teman-teman dicari yang lupa tadi apa, yang nggak tahu apa ditulis. Kita cari di kamus. Oke? That's it for example. Itu untuk melatih speaking kita kalau kita nggak punya partner. Or you can just speak in front of mirror, teman-teman. Di depan kamera tuh, di depan kaca, you can just talk about anything. Kayak tadi daily activity, describing something, up to you. Okay, the best one because language is about practicing more. Tentang practice lebih, practice. Karena kita belajar komunikasi, ngomong ya guys ya. Bahasa itu butuh practice latihan. So that's why that's it. Just do it, everyone. You can get your better English. Okay. I think that's gonna be enough for this time, everyone. Do you have a question last time, guys? Nope.
Tanya. Si Suli tanya, jangan
Bahasa
tertawa,
Inggrisnya,
tanya.
parah nih, apa tuh?
Apa nih? Parah nih, gimana?
Parah nih, gitu.
Ini konteksnya negatif atau positif, Sis Cosby?
Kayak ngomenin sesuatu gitulah.
Ya.
Misalnya, parah nih, Bro Zul makan mulu, kayak gitu.
Oh, okay. So, actually, we don't have that words ya, teman-teman. Okay. Tapi untuk konteksnya sama, itu sebuah expression, itu ekspresi ya. You can say, you can yang pertama nih. Oh, kalau konteksnya negatif ya, teman-teman. You can just say, oh, this is awful. Ini parah nih. You can say, this is terrible. This is crazy. Even you can say that one is okay. Okay. Parah nih. So, this is awful. Boleh. The common one is
crazy,
this
ya.
is awful. Awful. Karena ini expression ya, ungkapan gitu kan, ya kan? Parah nih Bro Zul. Oh, this is awful. Gitu kan.
Ya awful, kata awful. Burung hantu katanya Bro Zul. Awful.
Oh my god. Okay. Alright,
guys. Similar. Yeah, Bro Zul similar.
That's a good one. Oh, you can say, parah nih. Macet banget jalannya. Oh, this is crazy. The traffic jam is really. Nah, you got that one ya. Okay, this way itu expression teman-teman. Guys it. Okay guys ya. This gonna be enough for this time.
Okay, Kang Lele.
Okay, sure guys. And by the way, tomorrow we still have 3 days left, guys. Tomorrow, the day after tomorrow, and the last day is final exam. Okay.
Ditinggal lagi sayang-sayangnya.
Ouch. Oh my God, guys. Iya nih guys ya. Okay, it's alright
Oh, yang
everyone.
lain,
So just
tanya kalau
continue
nggak ngerti
everyone.
tanya.
So I hope we can meet again. Semoga kita bisa ketemu lagi guys.
Bro Sul
Okay,
tanya,
in the
jangan
next
ketawa-ketawa, tanya kalau
level,
nggak ngerti.
intermediate 2 ya guys ya. So I hope we can meet again everyone. Okay guys, this is our topic. Thank you for coming. And the last, before we end the class, the quote of today. Kata-kata hari ini nih. Come on, Brazil. Okay, finally.
Burung hantu
Okay.
ini sekali, burung hantu.
Makanlah sebelum dilarang makan.
Okay. Well, are you ready, Brazil? 1, 2, 3, go. Kata-kata hari ini, Brazil.
Wife without information fight every time.
What? Oh my God. Artinya, Brazil?
Wife
Uh-huh.
without information fighting
information.
every time.
Oh, it's really good. Is it right? Okay. Is it nice, Brazil? Thank you so much. It's a good one. Gue pikir belum pernah ngasih nikah sih, Brazil. Makanya ya nggak tahu. Alright, so good. Thank you so much,
Apa
Brazil.
Brazil tadi tuh
Mau
artinya?
nikah nggak?
Brazil artinya apa?
Artinya
Nih,
apa?
Tanya nih.
Artinya itu wife tanpa informasi berkelahi setiap hari gitu. Wife
Tuh, guys.
Oh.
without
Okay.
information fighting every time.
Oh my God. Okay. Is it-
my
Okay, that's
Oh,
what. That's the importance of
Macam-macam saya
communication,
burung
yeah.
hantu.
Okay, thank you so much,
Burung
everyone.
hantu.
It's really good. This is our topic. We'll meet again tomorrow, yeah? Don't miss the class, guys, and join the class until we finish the program. Thank you for coming, everyone. The last I say, speaking partner.
We
are the
We
best
are
the
the black.
The best partner.
What's password, guys?
Bye.
Bye bye, everyone. See you when I see you guys.
Bye,
See you
Bye.
next Friday. Catch you
See you,
soon.
Peter Lele.
Bye bye.
See